Just kidding. Best for last, okay? Best for last. Just trust me. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know, just me being crazy again. But we have an unboxing, and this time it's head candy. Look at all that goodness. Look at all the goodness. I'm gonna show you guys a few of my favorite products and then something new that I have tried and like fallen in love with as well. Okay, so let's dive into this box and I'm gonna show you what I got, okay? First and foremost, dry shampoo, okay? This is the Wannabe dry shampoo, okay? I'm obsessed with this stuff. I just re-upped and I bought like 4 cans because I go through it really quickly, only because I only wash my hair like once a week, you guys. Shh, don't tell. The smell of this is like insane. It smells so good. Like, I don't know. It smells better than like cotton candy, but it's not that sweet. It's like, oh my God, I can't even describe it to you, but it smells so good. Do yourself a favor, seriously try this dry shampoo. If you're a mama and like you are slacking on the hair washing game like me, get yourself some dry shampoo, girl. I also grabbed another smooth talker, and what that is, it is the keratin amino argan oil from Head Candy, and I really love this because I use it on my hair when it's damp. Like I use the third wheel. I use this spray right here. This is the third wheel, and this is like the leave-in conditioner, like anti-frizz, heat protectant, everything like that. So I spray this in, and then I put this on the mid shaft to ends, the Smooth Talker serum, and then I work that through my hair and brush it, and that's like my like healthy hair combo right there. That actually lasts me a really long time, so I like barely have to re-up on that stuff, I swear. You ever get like an itch in your nose? And okay, so this is the Drama Queen, okay? You guys, if you like volume, get yourself some Drama Queen. I'm just saying. This will give you volume 4 days, and I also use this in at the base of my hair before I like clip my extensions in, which actually we'll be posting a video for that as well, so stay tuned for how I like clip my extensions in and everything to like refresh my hair. That one's coming, but this is what I use when I'm clipping my extensions in, and then if I feel like I just want some big hair and I want to like really pump it up, like I'll put it in up here as well, okay? So obviously like I do have a little bit of the Drama Queen in my hair because like it's like just staying as I push it up. That's probably good. It doesn't mean it's dirty at all. Okay, so I have one that's open because I actually ordered 2 of these babies because like these are a must-have for me. So I did order 2 and I already opened one, so I just want to show you. This is the Drama Queen, okay? Drama Queen. And it's got this little spout here, and you push down on it. Kind of cool, right? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I love like the little poof of it. I always tell people, I'm like, it's a powder poof. This is really, really good for volume and fine-haired girls. If you are looking for something to make your hair feel thicker and have a little bit more texture and grit to it, the Drama Queen is gonna be your jam. Okay, so also I had to re-up my beauty candy here. So this is what this looks like. These are actually the biotin and the collagen gummies. So it's a vitamin obviously for like hair, skin, and nails. Biotin is actually what I used to take as just like a vitamin when I was like trying to grow my hair out, and I was trying to grow it really fast. So actually when Joe and I were engaged and I was trying to get my hair really long for our wedding, I was taking biotin, and that is what's in this, and then it also has collagen in it as well. Definitely you can kind of check out like the ingredients type thing, like if you're an ingredient person, anything like that. And then the gummies themselves, they are like heart-shaped gummies. They're so cute. And they taste really good. So like I usually take them at night. I look forward to taking my gummies at night. I'm no better than my son who takes his gummy vitamins. I actually have some of this in my hair right now, so I ain't gonna lie. I've already opened this, but you guys, I've been so excited to get this in and try this. This is called the Trickster, okay? There's a reason this is called the Trickster. Here's the box. It's called the Trickster. It's a root cover-up powder, okay? So Mainly what it is designed for, it's designed to cover up your outgrowth or your roots, but I'm actually more of like, I like that like rooted blonde look because I like to have depth and dimension at my base, but I have been kind of like holding off on coloring my hair. I've been letting it grow out a little bit just because it's kind of damaged because I may have, you know, lightened it a little bit too much. This is the Trickster. It's got this cute little loop right here. Like, this is so cute. It looks like a little Christmas ornament. You guys, I just thought of something. That's what I'm gonna get, like, my mom and sisters, like the root cover-up thing, and I can like hang it right on the tree. Put like a little bow around it. Ah! Okay, so to open it, here's the front of it here. Okay, the packaging is always like super, super cute. This is the Trickster, okay? You put your finger in the loop here. I actually like to kind of do it with my middle finger just so I have this for balance. And then you just pop this little top open, and then there's a mirror in there. You can kind of see my eyeball. And then there's the powder. So like I said, I actually got the powder to match my actual hair color because I didn't get this for like a root cover up. I got this for more so to make my hair look thicker because I've seen a lot of ladies using this and putting it in like their part line and stuff, and it actually makes their hair look thicker. And the reason I wanted to try it is because like I have an extension in right here. But I have really, really fine hair right there, you guys. Do you see how fine that is? That is like hereditary. So that's why I got this, because I wanted to like be able to kind of add it in there. And I actually have it along this like part line here, and you can tell like it looks thicker. You'll see in the extension video that I do. Be sure to stay tuned for that because that's where I'll really show you like the before and after effects of the Trickster. But so the underneath is actually, like I said, I have used this, but the underneath is actually the little like powder, like the little puffer thing. But yes, you just take this and you kind of rub it in the powder like that, and then you will take it wherever you want to put it. Let's just say I want to put some right here, even though I already kind of had put some in here. I will just show you real quick, like just like that. And like I said, you will see in the extension video that I do where I show how I'm clipping in my extensions just how powerful this little Trickster is. It makes my hair look a lot thicker, okay? A lot thicker. Check it out. They have a lot of different shades in this. They actually have like dark gray, light gray, blonde, platinum, like all these different colors, okay? So there's really a color for like everybody, I feel like. There's so many different colors of these. Whereas like, obviously if I wanted to actually cover up my roots, I would have probably went with like more of like the grayer colors. But like I said, I really just wanted to fill in my actual like natural color area and kind of rock that more like rooted look. So that's my spiel. And that's pretty much all I got in this order because like, I just got a bunch of dry shampoo. I got a bunch of dry shampoo. These are only 3 of them. I have one more sitting over there. I need help when it comes to dry shampoo. I think I have a problem. With dry shampoo. So I got 4 of the dry shampoo because I need it. And then I also got 2 of the Drama Queens, okay? One is opened already. And then the Trickster that I just told you about and showed you. My beauty candy, which actually, it's nighttime, so I can take these. They are gummy, they're squishy. And if you live in a warmer climate, if you order these, it does come with like a little note just to let you know to put them in the fridge for like an hour or 2 and just kind of let them reharden and everything, just because obviously if you're like gummies traveling in heat, they're gonna soften, they're gonna kind of like mold together until they get cool again. So just stick them in the fridge, no biggie. The 2 gummies is like a full serving. So it's a month's worth supply of them because they're 60, so 30 days. That's kind of got like a little sour punch to it too. They're so freaking good. Now I want to eat candy. I won't keep you any longer. Those are the goodies that I got, that I unboxed. If you have any questions, drop comments below. We will provide the link down below as well, the head candy link if you want to try anything that I went over. Otherwise, feel free to reach out to me and I would be happy to answer any questions. I hope you have a wonderful day, evening, whenever you're watching this, night. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you all next video. Don't forget to tune in for the extension video. It's gonna be fun. All right, bye guys.